Hello and welcome! In this tutorial I will show you how to create a user administration in the GridVis Desktop and use it to control access to your project. Open the User Administration Overview window. This project does not yet have a user administration. Create a new security realm. The security realm can be created in the YannitsaDB or in a MySQL or MS SQL database. Please note that projects that use a YannitsaDB cannot be combined with a user administration in a MySQL or MS SQL database. In the next step, configure the database connection. For a YannitsaDB, select the main directory of the project. If necessary, ask your network administrator for the connection data for a MySQL or MS SQL database. In this step, set the administrator password. Keep this password in a safe place. You will need it for further settings in the user administration. Contact the Yannitsa support if you have forgotten your administrator password. Log in with the administrator password you have just set. You can export and import the configuration of the security realm. This allows you to back up this configuration or use it in another project, for example. Please note that only the connection to the database of the security realm is exported. The users created are not included in the export. The next step is to create your users. To do this, open the user management. The administrator was created automatically when the security realm was created. Please note that this user must exist and that there must be no other user with the name admin. Create a new user and configure it. Please note that changes are not saved automatically. Unsaved changes are lost when you close the user management. The state column shows you whether there are any unsaved changes. To restrict access to your project, you must then protect it with a security realm. You can find the access protection in the properties of the project. Select here whether you want to protect the project with a password only or via the user administration. The lock icon indicates that the project has been protected. To be able to work with this project, you must now log in with one of the users you have created. You can also disconnect a user realm from a project again. This is necessary, for example, if you want to use a different user realm. To disconnect the user realm from the project, you must be logged in with a user who has sufficient authorizations. If a project is protected with this user management, this protection should also be removed during the disconnection. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.yannitsa.de.